In which case was it held that the Chief Election Commissioner doesn't enjoy primacy within Election Commission and is only the first among equals? Options: A. M.S. Gill versus Union of India. B. T.N. Sishan versus Union of India. C. V.S. Ramadevi versus N. Gopalaswamy. D. D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Answer: Option B. Supreme Court in the T.N. Sishan versus Union of India case decided that Chief Election Commissioner of India versus Union of India 1995 4 SCC 611 has held that the Chief Election Commissioner does not enjoy a status superior to election commissioners, though it is only in the case of the Chief Election Commissioner that the first proviso to Clause 5 of Article 324 lays down that conditions of service cannot be varied to the disadvantage of the CEC after his appointment, whereas such a protection is not extended to the ECs, but by virtue of the ordinance, the CEC and the ECs are placed on a par in the matter of salary, etc. The absence of such provisions for EC does not make the CEC superior to ECs.